let's review. Word pairs, jack and jab. Jack, jab. Jack, jab. Jet, gem. Jet, gem. Jet, gem. Jog, join. Jog, join. Jog, join. Jug, jut. Jug, jut. Jug, jut. Jig, gin. Jig, gin. Toggle between jig, and gin. Remember, do them as frequently as you can before I go on to the next word pair. Jeer, jean. Jeer, jean. Jeer, jean. Jig, gig. Jig, gig. Jig, gig. Jig, gig. Jet, get. Jet, get. Jet, get. Jet, get. Jail, gale. Jail, gale. Jail, gale. Jail, gale. All right, let's toggle between ledge and lodge. Ledge, lodge. Ledge, lodge. How about rouge and beige? Rouge and beige. Make sure you're writing very cleanly and everything's coming out the way you want it to be. And write the word pairs as frequently as you can before I say the next word pair. How about wedge and wage? Wedge and wage. Wedge, wage. And nudge, fudge. Nudge, fudge. Nudge, fudge. Next word pair, ridge, rig. Ridge, rig. Ridge, rig. Ridge, rig. Ledge, leg. Ledge, leg. Ledge, leg. Ledge, leg. And final word pair, budge, bug. Budge, bug. Budge, bug. Budge, bug. And one last number drill. You don't have to write your anchors in between each number because I'll go at a quick speed and see if you can keep up. 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81, 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71, 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I feel like yelling Happy New Year now. Congratulations, you have finished basic training. Very good job. Thank you.